Hey, have you got an Amazfit Bip or similar smartwatch that has a relatively small screen surrounded by a large black bezel on a flat or slightly curved piece of glass? Well, how would you like to make your Bip look like this? There. You could change your watch to match your outfit or your mood or anything. Dress it up, dress it down, your choice. Easily removable, easily changeable, stick-on bezels. Don't have a bip? No problem. Got an Android smartwatch? A fancy one? Want to cover up that black bezel with something that looks a little more attractive? How about ugly? You got a watch that's just plain ugly? Would you like to cover up the bezel with something besides numbers? Possibilities run rampant. Check it out. Yep, this is the beginning of a whole new industry for smartwatches and fitness bands. The world of skins with screen protectors.